Can baking soda remove tough toilet stains?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to discuss an effective, eco-friendly, and budget-friendly solution for those tough toilet stains. Can we really use baking soda to clean our toilets? Let's find out.
What causes toilet stains?
Before we dive into the solution, let's understand the problem. Toilet stains often come from hard water deposits, minerals like calcium and magnesium, or simply from prolonged use. These stains can be tough to remove, but don't worry, baking soda, a common household item, can come to your rescue.
Why baking soda?
Why does baking soda work? It's simple. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a mild alkali that can dissolve dirt and grease easily. It's a gentle scrubbing agent, and it's great for tackling those hard-to-clean areas, like your toilet bowl.
How to use baking soda for toilet cleaning?
Here are the simple steps. 1. First, empty the water out of your toilet bowl. You can do this by turning off the water valve and then flushing the toilet to drain the water. 2. Second, sprinkle about 1 cup of baking soda directly into your toilet bowl. 3. Then, let the baking soda sit for at least 30 minutes. During this time, the baking soda will work on those tough stains. 4. After that, use a toilet brush to scrub the stains. You should see the stains starting to fade away. 5. Finally, turn the water valve back on and flush your toilet. That's it. This process can be repeated as needed until your toilet is stain-free.
What else can enhance the cleaning power of baking soda?
You can boost the cleaning power of baking soda by adding vinegar to the mix. After applying baking soda, pour about 2 cups of white vinegar into the toilet bowl. You'll notice a fizzing reaction, which helps lift the stains. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then scrub and flush. This powerful combination can help you get rid of even the toughest stains. We've learned that not only can baking soda help remove tough toilet stains, but it does so in a way that's safe for our environment and our wallets. So the next time you notice a stubborn stain in your toilet bowl, you know what to reach for. I hope you found this video useful, and happy cleaning!